Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a smooth shake transition on VideoStar. So in the past I have made a tutorial on how to make a smooth shake, but today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make into an actual transition. Okay, so to begin with, you're going to want to have your two photos or videos ready, but just a little disclaimer, sometimes when you use videos, this transition can look a little weird just because we end up reversing part of it. So it's totally up to you if you want to use a photo or video, but I thought I should mention that. Okay, so press on New and then press Multi-Layer and then press 1 and press on your photo or video choice. Now press Edit Keyframes and go to the very end of your clip and then place down a path keyframe. And next to that little arrow that you just pressed, there's going to be a straight line. Press on that and then scroll down until you see these three wiggly lines. You can select any one of the options. I'm just going to go with the third one. Now go back to the very beginning of the clip by touching this little back arrow and drag the clip up, down, left, right. It doesn't matter, but you just need to remember which way you dragged it. So for this tutorial, I'm going to drag mine down. Now play it back to see if you like it. You can always adjust the line. You can adjust where you put this keyframe at the end, but I'm going to see how I like this. Okay, I like that, so I'm going to press back and then press on mirror, and I'm going to select the last option. You can select any three of these. I wouldn't really recommend using the second option though, because it doesn't look super smooth compared to the other options. Now press on this paintbrush icon labeled color and then press on tracking blur, and if you don't know where that is, you can search it up using the search tool over here. Now just replay it to make sure that you're okay with this. Okay, I like that, so I'm gonna press create. Press done. Now what you want to do is press on new and then press motion and then select the reverse option and then press apply. Now press save. And so now you have the first part of your shake transition. Now on the second clip, press new, press multi-layer, press 1 and then import your second video or photo and then press on edit keyframes. And go to the very end of your clip and place down another path keyframe. And then again, press on that straight line and scroll down until you find the lines. I'm going to go with the first option this time. Now go back to the very beginning of your clip and drag the opposite way you dragged to begin your transition. So for me, I dragged down. So now I'm going to drag up. And if you dragged left, you're going to drag right, vice versa. So yeah, just replay it to make sure you like it. I'm actually going to change the path option to the second one, and I'll see how that looks. I like that more, so I'm going to press back, press mirror, and do the same thing we did last time, then go to color, tracking blur, make sure it looks good. Now I'm going to press create, press done, and let's see how that looks. And yeah, that's it guys. If you want to make it look even more smooth, you can always add motion blur, which is what I'm about to do. All you have to do this is press new, transform, and then press VS motion blur. So I'll show you guys my settings. You can adjust them to this if you want, but honestly, most settings work just fine. And then just press create. And then press done. And then do this to the second clip too. And that's it guys. Hopefully y'all found this tutorial useful. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see y'all next week. Bye!